I have something that will help you craft the direction of your future. I want you to sit down and write all your direct debits every month. All those bills that are leaving your bank account every single month and they never come back. Write them down. And I want you to see how many you have. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100. How many? We're talking only direct debits. We're talking only direct debits that are like an autopilot, and like you can start listing them, like from your mortgage, probably your rent, every single month. Probably your internet, your mobile phone or mobile phones, your insurance, home, car, your water bill, your electricity bill. I want you to start listing them one by one. Maybe it's your Netflix, maybe it's your HBO, maybe it's your Paramount. Anything that every single month is going out by direct debit. And then the next thing I want you to do is to ask yourself how many of those that I'm paying every single month by direct debit, how many of those are actually paying me? This is a very important question because this will separate like your desire to be free. And if you're not free, you understand why you're not free. Because you have more liabilities every single month and not enough assets generating you passive recurring income and leverage every single month. Because once you start adding them, and this is a very, very powerful exercise that will truly help you, because once you start adding them and you start putting the amounts that you're paying next month to each one of them, unless they're bringing more money, so if it's a subscription, if it's bringing more money in, it's a winning subscription because it creates a passive recurring income for you. But if it's a subscription or direct debit that doesn't pay you and it only costs you, and the question is, why you're paying this? And how many of those you have? And what is the total amount once you start adding them up? What is the total amount of each one of them added together at the end of each month? So this is like a residual waste that, like, unless you're offsetting it with residual dividends that you're receiving, your focus, your energy, your efforts are not in the right place. And you need to put them in the right place if you want a better future. And only you can do this. No one else can do this. So there is obviously bills that they'll never pay you. They'll never pay you. But they're necessary for you to pay. Okay, so add something on the opposite side that is paying you. So again, how many direct debits, how many subscriptions do you have that are not just costing you, but they're paying you? And then which one is paying you the most? Double down on the one that is paying you the most. Double down. And if you don't have any residual income coming in, then, find out where people are building their asset, their cash flow assets, and how they're increasing their cash flow with a small, basically, efforts on a daily basis, but they're putting it on the right place to create leverage and to create passive recurring income to start offsetting those bills. So every $1, $2, $5, $10, $20, $30, $50, $100, $200, $300, $500, $1,000, $2,000, they're accumulations of many of those. So your job every day is not to waste the day, but to add more passive recurring income that will keep on coming. Same day next month. Same day next year. And the more you start adding, the more and the faster you're gonna start to offset all those bills that are holding you hostage instead of releasing you to be able to live free. I hope this helps.